Hey guys, I'm John with Dyke Industries. Today we're here and we're going to be looking at sliding bypass doors. We're going to be installing them, but first we're going to look at the tools that we will need for the job. So first you'll need an impact, generally a Phillips head, also a drill for pre-drilling, 1/8 inch drill bit, tape measure and pencil, screwdriver, also a 3/4 inch spade bit for drilling for your pools, and then also a level to check the level of your opening. So now we're going to measure the opening to make sure that we've got the correct size doors that we need. One important thing to remember is that you always need to measure the finish opening, not the rough opening. Always measure in 3 places: top, middle, and bottom. 70 5/8. It's fairly consistent all throughout. Then likewise your height, get a measurement at each end and then one in the middle. Height measurement, we're looking at 81 3/4. Again, always go with the smallest size out of your 3 measurements. So now we're going to install the wheel hangers on the doors. Again, this is an instance where be sure to read your instructions, as some manufacturers will vary on this. But here we'll start the hanger at 1.25 inches in from the edge of the door. And these hangers go on the back side of the door so that they're hidden. Again, pre-drill for all these holes. And just repeat the exact same process at the other edge of the door. So next we're going to go ahead and install the track. This track comes pre-drilled with all the holes, 7 holes to be specific. So we'll go ahead and put this into the opening. Swing it up. You'll want the face of the track to be back about 1/2 inch of your edge here. This makes so that your doors will end up approximately being centered on the jamb. And just do the same thing on the opposite end. So next, just install the remaining screws. So always remember that you have to install the rear door first, and just tilt it back as it goes in. Take it up. Just hang it on the track. Repeat the process for the front door. So now we're going to install the door guide. Now this door guide just gets simply screwed to the floor. Make sure that your doors are spaced evenly on the jamb, left to right. Slide this underneath and then fasten it. Lastly, install your door pulls, and then that is a wrap on the sliding bypass door install. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
For additional resources and planning tools, be sure to check out the Dyke Edge Door Configurator at dykedoors.com.